In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Google Docs efficiently and seamlessly. You might find yourself working on a document that needs a fresh page to keep things organized, or perhaps you're finalizing a project and require a clear division between sections. Whatever your need may be, this guide will ensure you can add pages like a pro. To begin, you'll want to open your favorite web browser. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar and type in Google Docs to initiate a quick search. Google will present you with several results, but you're looking for the link that takes you directly to Google Docs. Click on this link to proceed. Upon entering the Google Docs homepage, you'll need to log in. Make sure you enter your credentials, usually your email address and password, to access your documents. If you're already logged in, it might automatically take you to the Google Docs interface. Now that you're logged in, you have two choices. Either open an existing document that you want to continue editing, or create a new document altogether. If you choose to create a new document, simply click on the blank option to begin with a fresh slate. Once you have the document open, decide where you want the new page to begin. Scroll through your document until you reach the point where you'd like the new page to start. You'll need to place your cursor at the end of the content preceding the new page. This spot is essential because the new page will begin right after this point. Next, direct your attention to the top menu of Google Docs. Here, you'll find an option labeled Insert. Click on Insert, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with numerous choices. In this step, you want to hover your mouse over Break. Once you hover over it, you'll see another selection slide out. From this list, click on Page Break. With just that click, Google Docs will insert a new page precisely at the spot where your cursor was placed. Congratulations! You've just added a new page to your document. Adding new pages in Google Docs is simple, yet knowing these steps can make your workflow more efficient. This skill not only saves you time, but ensures that your documents remain well-structured and professional. Now you can focus on the content without worrying about formatting issues. Whether you're writing an essay, drafting a report, or working on a creative project, these steps keep you moving forward smoothly. Keep practicing, and in no time, adding pages will be second nature. That's all for today's quick guide on Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.